Without crying, but they're happy tears. They're tears of gratitude of who you are as a person and how you choose to love me. You've proven your devotion to me time and time again, and I promise that I will love you with that same devotion, that same tenderness, and that same forgiveness with which you've always loved me.
I never thought I'd be so deeply known as you know me. You calm me when the world is overwhelming. You nourish my spirit and constantly point me back to God. You help me to laugh at life's awkward moments. You put up a mirror to my own selfishness and thoughtlessness that help me to become a better man. If the world ever considers me great or notable, they will certainly have you to thank.
I'll love you until death parts us, and then I'll love you for all eternity after that, because this one life we have is simply not enough. But you, Kevin, are always enough.
At this time, if you would please stand.
You and I will be together. I see forever in your smile. Come what may.
I promise to always look after our present and our future. I promise to lead a walk that pursues Jesus and make him the center of our marriage. When arguments or hostilities arise, I promise to turn to prayer for wisdom, counsel, and a spirit-led tongue.
I now pronounce you husband and wife in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, and what God has joined together, may no man put asunder. Kevin, you may kiss your bride.
And in the words of the great poet Rick Astley, I'm never going to give you up. I'm never going to let you down. Well, I might, but I'll always try to be better. I'm never going to run around and desert you. I'm never going to make you cry. I'm never going to say goodbye. I'm never going to tell a lie and hurt you. I love you, kiddo. Thank you for loving me too.
Oh. I got rickrolled at my own wedding.
Yeah.
I just want